Christmas squad. I'm showing you guys more Christmas stuff. Time to look at some fidgets. I have a crystal kitty stress ball, a fidget pad. Honestly, I'll just bring my whole bag up. Let's see what else. Another needle item, squishy cat. Oh, you can't see it. Squishy cat, fidget cube, glow-in-the-dark needle. I actually got for Christmas, Santa got me Miss Bench's avocado fidget pack. So I have the Miss Bench sticker, avocado, the avocado purse with this nice side, and this poppet side. And then I open it, and inside I have an avocado mochi, which is so cute, and 2 avocado dimples. They don't really make much sound, but they're all adorable, and this is so cute, and it's my first plush one. Let's see what else we have. And of course, I love the Miss Bench sticker. I got Tangle, but not just one Tangle, I also got a Tangle Wild. I have this adorable mini stress ball, purple, pink, purple, pink. Let me put on some more lighting so you guys can see everything better. I also have a yellow pop tube. I got this adorable stocking stuffer from Squishy. It's so cute. Think Positive. Adorable acupressure rings. I have red, green, and then this cute like rose gold color, which I love. I also have this little cat ball keychain. That's it for the first bag of fidgets that I got. Let me grab some more. I got a cute little fidget box. I got a red and purple pop tube. I got a Tangle. I got a fidget pad. I got these wooden block thingies. I forgot what they're called. I got a snapper, which is actually really good. I got 2 miniature monkey noodles. I got a cute little mochi. I got a marble mesh. I'll put a bunch of the stuff back into their boxes. Look how cute and small it became. That's it for this video. I'll be doing more videos on this haul. So, on what I got for Christmas. See you guys later and have a great day. Bye.